Good evening, students. Guys.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. So the last class we are discussing about. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Inequalities. We started at some numericals also, solving the single variable inequalities, not simultaneous inequalities, just one variable inequalities, how to solve. Just we'll see few numericals of one variable inequalities and we'll move to the simultaneous inequalities, like the equations contain two variables and two expressions, how to solve the inequalities, how to get the common solution for both the expressions. So as we discussed in the last class, inequality says it's not only particular solution, even though if it is having single variable, it is having many solutions. It's having solution set. So our ultimate goal, solve the inequality, means finding the solution set. The solution set says it's a set of many values which can satisfy the given statement. Suppose if I'm asking the solve the inequalities, solve the following inequalities. So what are the questions we are doing before going to the simultaneous equation? Everything is solve the following inequalities. Solve the following. Hope you are able to hear properly. Following inequalities. For real x. First one is 3 of 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 of 1 minus x. Solve this one, let me know what is the answer. Please solve the question and let me know what is the answer. Interval form, roster form, whatever form you want, you can mention or keep it on number. Sometimes they may ask you to represent on number line also. So basic rules, just start, isolate the variable. We are having both sides variable here through 3 into 2 minus 6 greater than or equal to 2 of 1 minus x. So this is 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. If I am taking the all x one side, 6 minus 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to 2. This is 6 minus x greater than or equal to 2. So after that, minus x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4. On multiplying with minus 1, x less than or equal to 4. The meaning of x less than or equal to 4, you can write. The solution set is what? Anyone? What is the solution set for this expression? What is the solution set? Students, please respond. Very simple questions. X such that x belongs to real numbers x less than or equal to 4, or you can mention minus infinity to 4 closed interval, or on the number line we can mention this is 4. From here, how we can draw the line? You can draw a little bit thicker line towards minus infinity because it is less than symbol. So minus infinity, this is 4. That's it. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Shall I go for next question? Guys, yes or no? Sini, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Next question is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. Try to solve this question. 2 minutes time. Anyone got the answer for this question? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, minus infinity to 2, where 2 is in closed interval.
Sorry?
Minus infinity to 2, where 2 is in closed interval.
Minus infinity to 2 is closed interval.
Yes, sir.
Minus infinity to 2. Am I right? Like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yeah. So moving to the next question. Anyone wants to explanation for this question? Students, I can move to the next question, or anyone wants to discuss this question? Yeah, the next one. Solve for x. One by two of 3 by 5x plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 of x minus 6, x belongs to or belongs to real number. Solve for this question, students, please. No, you're having no the file.
No, only answers.
Hmm?
It's only answers. Reduce inside you.
Anyone got the answer?
Sir, minus infinity to 120 enclosed interval.
Sorry.
Minus infinity to 120 enclosed interval, sir.
Correct. Minus infinity to 120 closed interval, or 120 less than or equal to 120. So how to solve this question? First, initially we have to bring it to common thing, or multiply both sides with 6. Multiply both sides with 6, or first multiply with 1 by 2, multiply with 1 by 3. So this is 3x by 10 plus 2 greater than or equal to x by 3 minus 6 by 3 is 2. After that, isolate x, multiply LCM 10 comma 3 is 30. So multiply with 30 on both sides. So 3x into 30 by 10 will be equal to 9x plus 60 greater than or equal to x by 3 into 30 is 10x minus 60. If I'm taking all x one side, 120 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x. This will be 120 is greater than or equal to x. From here, x less than or equal to 120. That means x belongs to, you can write minus infinity to 120 closed interval. So one more last question related to this. This question, try to show it off on your number line. You have to write on number line. So carefully read the question. Read the question and do and represent the solution set on number line. That is a question. Solve 3 of 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 of 1 minus x, given that x belongs to R plus, where R plus is equal to x, such that x belongs to R and x greater than 0. Understand the statement, and you have to give the solution. Also represent the solution on the number line. On the number line. Hope you understand the question. First, try to read out the question. I'm giving 2-3 minutes time. Based on that, you have to understand your like.
Sir,
Yes.
no open interval, 4 closed.
Yeah, I will do question here. I will do solution. Just look into this. The given expression is 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry guys. Just as usual, you have to start with multiplication. So 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. So I'm bringing 3x this side. So to this side, 6 minus 2 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2x. This will be 4 greater than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. But here the clause is x belongs to real numbers and x must be greater than 0. It's not equal to. So here greater than means it's an open interval. So you can write the solution is 0 open interval and it is extended up to 4 less than or equal to. So closed interval. So this is 0, this is 4. Or in interval form 0, 4, where 0 is open interval. X belongs to, this is the interval. This is a solution set and representing on the number line. Hope you are clear. Any doubts? Students, anyone having any doubts? Guys, shall I move to the next one? Shall I move to the next one? Yes or no? Guys, can move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when they're giving two equations, how to solve? Now we have got only one equation, one variable we are solving when they're giving the two equations of single variable. Solving linear inequalities in one variable. Solving simultaneous linear equations or system of linear equations. system of linear inequalities in one variable. Same thing we will do for two variable also, but first we will start with one variable. One variable we might get more than three also, but mostly we will face two equations at a time. Suppose if the question is like this, I already told you solving the x means the set of values which is satisfying the given condition. But when they are giving two equations, what is this meaning? Anyone? Following system of linear inequalities. The question is 3x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5, 2x minus 3 greater than 7. What is this meaning? So here, if there is only one equation, the meaning is you have to find out the solution set which is satisfying the given condition. Here there are two conditions, one variable. So you have to calculate, or sorry, you have to solve the x values. That means you have to find out the solution set which is accepting or which is proving both the statements, which should satisfy both the statements. It should not be only one statement. So here little bit number line concept will work easily to calculate the common solution for both the statements. So the rule is find out individually, find out the solutions individually and mark on the number line. So common statements here, common solution set, if you take the common solution set will satisfy both the expressions. So that is a final solution set of this system of linear equations. So first solution set I am taking 3x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5, 3x is greater than or equal to 6, x is greater than or equal to 2. This is my first one. When it comes to second one, 2x minus 3 greater than 7, 2x is greater than 10, x is greater than 5. This is my second set. Now, if I am taking number line, so the solution set of first equation is what? The solution set of first equation is what, students? 2 closed interval infinity. The solution set of second equation is 5 open interval infinity. When I am representing on the number line, this is 0, this is 2, this is 5. This is infinity. So both are greater than 2, greater than 5. So how we can identify? Here it is a little bit simple to identify. That's the reason straight away you can say. The first solution is 2 closed interval and up to infinity. The second one is 5 open interval up to infinity. So this line represents x greater than or equal to 2. This line represents x greater than 5. If you see from here, all the set of solution, all the values of the number line which will satisfy this expression. But according to the question, the solution means it should satisfy both the equations. But this is a region where these values does not satisfy the second expression. But if you see on the number line, from here, each and every value is satisfying both the equations. So here the possibility is sometimes you won't get any solution also. That means null set. You might get sometimes null set also. You should not panic or you should not worry about there is no solution. That means there is no real numbers which can satisfy both the expressions. So here there is a common solution. So if you draw on the number line which is giving common solution, that is the final solution of the equation. So x belongs to which will satisfy both the expressions is 5 comma infinity is the final solution set for system of linear equation. That means which is satisfying both equations here. It should not satisfy only one particular equation. It should satisfy both the equations. Is it clear how to handle? Yes or no? Please, guys, please respond. I can move to the next question or not.
Yes, sir.
Students will able to hear? Students able to hear? Now? Able to hear,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yeah. Shall I go? We can go for one more question of this kind. Yeah. Solve the following system of linear inequalities. Solve the following system of linear inequalities. The question is 2 of x plus 1 less than or equal to x plus 5. First inequality, 3 of x plus 2 greater than 2 plus 2 minus x. Please keep it in mind and let me know. Same as common solution which can satisfy both the equations. Initially, you can use the number line. Slowly, without number line itself, we can able to do it. Solve this question. Anyone got the answer?
-2 open interval, 3 closed interval.
Check it again.
-2 open interval, 3 closed interval.
I didn't hear you properly. So I'm solving the first one. If I'm taking 2 of x plus 1 less than or equal to x plus 5, this is 2x plus 2 less than or equal to x plus 5. So this will be 2x minus x less than or equal to 5 minus 2. So x less than or equal to 3. This is my first one. Will you agree? Same as if I'm taking second one, 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x. If I'm taking x, 4x greater than 2 minus 6, 4x greater than minus 4, x greater than minus 1. Is it clear? What is this meaning? If I'm taking on the number line, x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1 means how the things will come. X greater than minus 1. This is minus 1. It will go up to infinity for x greater than minus 1. So it is like this. This is x greater than minus 1. Next one is x less than or equal to minus 3. So if I am taking this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means this is the solution set. x less than or equal to 3. So what is the common solution here? From here to here only the common solution. So minus 1 open braces, 3 closed braces is x belongs to. So these kind of inequality is called inequality with we can express this single statement in a different way with the two inequalities. An expression with the two inequalities. Sorry guys, an expression with the two inequalities. How we can mention minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. This is a solution set of this equation. So this is a x is represented with two inequalities. That is the meaning of both the expression, or this is a solution set. This is a so next step is if they are giving an expression with the two inequalities, the two inequalities means set of system of linear equations of single variables giving with the instead of giving two different expressions, they are giving two linear inequalities. How to solve? If you are clear, we'll move to the next question. Yes or no? Please let me know. Are you clear? Shall I move to the next question?
Yes.
Now we are going to solve an expression with two linear inequalities. This is an expression, a single variable expression with two linear inequalities. Expressions, solving expressions with two linear inequalities. Question is solve 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. How to solve? Same. The procedure is same. Isolate the x. So first to isolate the x, remove the constant. How to remove the constant? Add plus 4. That is 2 plus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 5 plus 4. So we are adding doesn't influence the symbols here. So here what you will get? 6 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 9. Divide with 3. So 6 by 3 is 2 less than or equal to 3x by 3 is 3. 9 by 3 is 3. So the solution set is 2 less than or equal to 3 also less than x less than or equal to 3. So x belongs to 2, 3. Closed braces. This is how we can solve an expression with two linear inequalities. Shall I give one more question based on this? One or two questions we will try based on these relations. Students, I can give. Guys, yes or no? Shall we go for one or two questions practice based on an expression with two linear inequalities?
First two.
Guys, yes or no? Shall I move to the next? Yes or no? Please let me know. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will write the question, try to solve. I will give some time to solve. Solve the following inequalities. The first question is minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x divided by minus 5 less than or equal to 2. Please solve this question. Anyone got the answer?
Minus 60 by 23, 10 by 3.
No, 23 won't come. Let's see, first what you have to do as per isolate the, sorry, first remove the constant. So to remove the constant, if I am subtracting with minus 4, even subtraction also doesn't affect. Minus 12 minus 4 less than 4 minus of minus plus. See, here inside this expression only I am doing the calculation, so it doesn't affect the sign. 3x by 5 minus 4 less than or equal to 2 minus 4. So minus 4 cancel. This will be minus 16 less than 3x by 5 less than or equal to minus 2. Again multiplying with 5. So minus 80 less than 3x less than or equal to minus 10. And I'm dividing with 3. So minus 80 by 3 less than x less than or equal to minus 10 by 3. So from here, what is the solution set? Sir, somebody said the solution set. What is the solution set? Minus 80 by 3, comma, not comma, sorry, it's not element, minus 10 by 3 closed interval. I thought it's like denominator is 23, I heard, but actually minus 80 by 3, 10 minus 10 by 3, where minus 10 by 3 is a closed interval. Open interval minus 80 by 3, closed interval minus 10 by 3. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next question? Students, shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve for x given minus 3 less than or equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to 18. Please solve this question. Let me know what is the answer. Done. Anyone?
Sir, minus 4 to both the sides.
Second. What is the answer you got, sir?
Sir, minus 4 to 2 closed interval on both the sides.
Minus 2 to?
No, sir, minus 4 to 2 closed interval on both the sides.
Yeah, minus 4 closed interval to closed interval. Minus 4 closed interval, minus 2, sorry, plus 2 closed interval. So same here. Minus 3 minus 4 less than or equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 minus 4 less than or equal to 18 minus 4. This will be minus 7 less than or equal to minus 7x by 2 less than or equal to 18 minus 4 is 16, not 16, sorry, 14. And multiplying with 2 minus 14 less than or equal to minus 7x less than or equal to 28. If I am dividing with 7 plus 7, I am dividing. Minus 2 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 4. If I am multiplying with minus 4, so these signs will reverse. So what I will get? 2 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to minus 4. This can be written as minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. From here I can say minus 4 comma 2 closed interval is the solution set of x. So now we are almost completed analytical way how to solve these expressions with two inequalities contents. Now we will move to the application level. Application level means with a single variable how to solve the word questions. So here they won't give any equations. So we have to frame equation from the given situation. Shall we go for a few questions? We have to frame the equation. They won't give the equation. That is the next level of this inequalities. Still we are with the one variable only. Yeah. So I am starting with question. Here the basic your 8th standard, 7th standard word problems knowledge is enough to solve the questions. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive numbers, even positive integers, both of which are larger, both of which are larger than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. Okay. So you have to find the solution set. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers is you have to find out the solution set for this. Yeah. First of all, framing the equation is important. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers. Any even positive integers, how it looks. Suppose if I am saying x is a one even integer, next even integer is x plus 2. The difference between two successive even integers is 2. The successive even odd integers is also 2. So if I am saying x be the smallest of the two consecutive even positive integers, let x be the, you can start with the 2x also. That doesn't matter where x is an integer. If I'm taking the x is the even integer. X be the smallest even integer of even positive integer of given two integer of 2 consecutive. So next one is x plus 2 is the next one. What is saying? Both are larger than 5 and their sum is less than 23. First frame the equation. Both are larger than 5 means x must be greater than 5. Then I can say x plus 2 also is greater than 5. And sum of both the numbers is less than 23. So one equation is x greater than 5 and another equation is 2x plus 2 is less than 23. That is 2x is less than 21. So if you solve these two equations, then we'll get the answer. So x greater than 5, it's already looks like solved. 2x less than 21, that is x less than 21 by 2. So getting the expressions is important here. This is important here. Solving doesn't matter here because already previously solved for this kind of equations. So x less than x greater than 5, x less than 21 by 2. That means 5 less than x less than 10.5. So x is lying between 5 comma 10 comma 5. But this is not the end of the question. So now we found the range of x. We found the range of x. Now you have to list out the set of possible pairs for the given condition. He is asking set of even positive integers lying between 5 and 10.5, which positive even integers. So I can write what is the first positive even integer after 5, 6 comma 8. Next positive is 8 comma 10. And 10 comma 12. This is only the possible sets. I can't take next 12 because x is limited. X is maximum 10.5. That means x plus 2 is maximum 12.5. So these are the three pairs which can satisfy the condition, which is greater than 5. Any number is greater than 5. Sum is always less than 23. Anyone having any doubt in this question? This is the final conclusion. The required pairs of numbers which is satisfying the given condition. The required pairs of are the required pairs of numbers are required pairs of even positive integers, which satisfies given condition. Satisfy given condition. Shall I go for one more question similar to this, students?
Yes, sir.
An acid solution. An acid solution is to be kept in between. Is to be kept in between 30 degrees and 35 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. What is the range of temperature in degrees? What is the range of temperature in degrees? Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. If conversion formula is given by, if conversion formula is given by C is equal to 5 by 9 of F minus 32, where C and F are the, where C represents Celsius degree Celsius, F represents degree Fahrenheit. Solve this question. Simple only. Only thing understanding and framing the formula. Once you frame the formula, it's easy. You have to frame an inequality. If you are able to frame the inequality, the question is over. So reading the question will makes a little bit easier to understand. He is asking if the temperature in degrees Celsius, it is in between 30 degrees to 35 degrees. So first I am framing an equation with respect to degree Celsius according to the given data from here to here. If I can make a mathematical statement stating that 30 degrees Celsius less than or equal to C, sorry, not less than or equal to, less than C, less than 35 degrees Celsius. So here C I won't write because already I'm mentioning C is in between. So if it is Celsius scale, the range of the Celsius scale is between 30 to 35. Now what is the range? If I'm converting into Fahrenheit, how much will come? So 30 degrees less than, what is the conversion? They gave very easy. 5 by 9, F minus 32 less than 35. So if you are able to solve this inequality, then your job is over. First I am multiplying with 9. 30 into 9 less than 5 into F minus 32 less than 35 into 9. And I'm dividing with 5. If I'm dividing with 5, 6 into 9 less than F minus 32 less than 7 into 9. 6 into 9 is 54 less than F minus 32 less than 63. So if I'm adding 32 on 32 entire expression, so 86, 50 plus 30, yeah, 54 plus 32 less than F less than 63 plus 32, 50, 86 less than 63 plus 32 is 95. So if it is Fahrenheit scale, the temperature range is in between 86 degrees Fahrenheit scale to 95 degrees here. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? In next class, when tomorrow, we are going to start the final level of this topic. How to solve system of linear equation in graphical method of single variable and two variable. It is two variable, how to solve. If it is single variable, how to solve in graphical method. Is it clear? Shall I close the session for today? Students?
Yes, sir.
Shall I close? Yeah. We'll meet in next class. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.